Hey there, welcome back. I'm John from my solar home, and today we're cutting through the noise when it comes to solar batteries. Right now, the battery market is exploding. You've probably seen everything from compact solar generators on Amazon to massive whole home backup systems from Tesla and Enphase. In this video, I'm going to break it all down. We're diving deep into the three main types of solar battery systems. And by the end, you'll know exactly which one fits your home, your lifestyle, and your budget. Let's kick things off with the most affordable option, the portable solar generator, paired with foldable solar panels. Now, these start at just $599 or so. But don't let the price fool you. They do pack a punch. During a blackout, these plug and play devices can keep your phones charged, run your laptop, power a few lights, and maybe even keep a fridge going for a few hours. Perfect for apartment dwellers or homeowners who want a little emergency backup without breaking the bank. Next up is the mid range powerhouse. I call this the kitchen hero. This is your portable home power station. And these typically run around 5,999 installed. Now, what do you get for that? It's quite a lot actually. This setup can easily keep your fridge, freezer, microwave, lights, garbage disposal, and even your coffee maker running during an outage. It's ideal for short term grid failures or folks who want peace of mind knowing that the kitchen and the internet stays online. And finally, let's talk about the big one, the whole home solar battery system. We're talking about a fully integrated setup that can run everything your air conditioner, heating, EV charger, pool pumps, well pumps, the whole nine yards. Installed and ready to go. Now you're looking at around 15,999, 16K. These are perfect for homeowners who want serious energy independence and backup. And backup that doesn't quit. Now, keep in mind these are general price points, and real world costs can vary depending on your home, your solar system, and your goals. That's why it's always a smart move, really, to talk to a trusted installer who can walk you through your options. Now, before you go out and buy a solar battery, there are two common mistakes that could completely derail your project. So, stick with me because I'm going to show you exactly how to avoid those pitfalls. Whether you're getting a portable home generator, a mid range solar battery, or a full blown home system, by the end of this video, I'll cover the most overlooked areas when buying batteries: warranty support, after sales service, and usage tips to get the most from your investment. Let's kick things off with the most budget friendly option, the $599 solar generator. Picture this. It's the last 2 minutes of the game, and suddenly the power goes up. Boom, TV is gone, Wi Fi is gone. But you're ready. You grab your solar generator, plug in your router and TV, and just like that, game on. Or maybe it's early morning, you're rushing for work, and the power's out. No worries. Plug your microwave into the solar generator, and you're not skipping breakfast. Worried about food going bad? Just connect your fridge and you're covered. Many of these generators even come with portable solar panels, so they keep charging throughout the day, giving you multiple days of backup during longer outages. But, and this is important, even the best plans fail without the right prep. Take Joe. Now, he plugged his fridge into his brand new solar generator and it just shut off. Why? His generator didn't have enough power output to handle the fridge. That's why you need to understand two key numbers before buying. First, power capacity. Measured in watts, this tells you what kind of appliances you can actually run. For example, a generator with at least 1200 watts of AC output can handle your fridge, freezer, lights, even some power tools, but not your dryer and electric range, and not everything together. Second, energy capacity, measured in watt hours or WH. This tells you how long the battery will run. But here's the trap. Many products only highlight energy capacity and not power. So you might see a flashy number like 1500 watt hours, but the power output might be too low to run even a small appliance. If you don't look at both numbers, you might end up disappointed with your new solar generator when it can't run the things you actually need. That's where the Jackery Solar Generator 1000 shines. It delivers 1500 watts of AC power and has 1070 watt hours of energy capacity. With 3 AC outlets, USB C and A ports, and even a DC port, it can charge multiple devices at once. Plus, it comes with 200 watt solar panel that keeps it topped up every day. So if you're thinking about grabbing one, I've dropped a link to the Jackery 1000 in the description below. It's one of the best values out there. Now let's move on to the mid-sized home power stations, the sweet spot between portability and whole home backup. Now, these units pack serious power with at least 5,000 watt hours of energy and AC output of 5,000 watts or more. That's enough to handle your kitchen, your fridge, your Wi-Fi, even your microwave, all running at the same time, smoothly, silently. And the best part, these power stations kick in automatically when the grid goes down. No scrambling to power things in. They're professionally installed, require a permit, and they connect to your home through a smart panel or a transfer switch, which should come bundled with the system. Now, one of the most popular units in this space is the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra, paired with a smart home panel too. You get 6,144 watt hours of energy storage, 7,200 watts of AC output, enough power for everything in your kitchen, plus your TV, router, and lights. You can even add solar panels for extended backup time. But even without that, a single charge can get you 24 hours of runtime. So your fridge stays cold, your freezer stays frozen, and your internet stays online. It's currently selling for about $4,999 on Amazon. See the link below. And with professional installation and permits, expect the total to be around $5,999. Now, here's a common pitfall. These power stations, like full home-size batteries, output DC power and convert it to AC using inverters. That process works great, but connecting to your home's electrical system requires expertise. Always hire an installer with experience in battery systems, especially when integrated subpanels and transfer switches are involved. This isn't your average plug-and-play situation. And now we're at the top tier, full-fledged whole home batteries. The biggest name in this space are the Tesla Powerwall 3, the Franklin WH A-Power 2, the Enphase 10C, and the new SolarEdge Nexus. These systems store 10 kilowatt hours or more. That's 10,000 watt hours and deliver 9,000 plus watts of AC output. That's enough to power your entire home, including HVAC, EV charging, pool pumps, laundry, the works. They're typically installed alongside solar panels, but more and more folks are installing them standalone, just for backup power. Expect to pay around $14,999 fully installed for a 10 to 15 kilowatt hour system, including labor and permitting. Now, for most homes under 2,500 square feet, one battery is plenty. Larger homes may need two, but many people choose to back up only just essentials with one battery. Now, let's talk about something crucial: warranty and service. Before you buy any battery, understand what kind of warranty and support you're getting. The best batteries come with strong warranties, local US support teams, and great reviews. Don't settle for anything less, because after-sales service matters when you're investing this much. And there are some battery care tips to make your battery last much longer. One, don't regularly drain it below 10%. Avoid full cycles unless necessary. And if you're not using your battery often, cycle it once a month, charge and discharge, to keep it healthy. So that's it, folks. I hope this helped you better understand your options for battery backup, whether you're looking for a portable solution or a whole home powerhouse. If this video helped, please hit like, subscribe, leave a comment with your questions. I answer every one of them. And if you need a quote, email me at solar@mysolarhome.us or call me at 609-908-3700 or visit mysolarhome.us for a custom battery quote tailored to your needs. Thank you. Till the next time.